Hi, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make New Orleans Potions Red. So this is one of my mineral lipsticks. So the first thing I want to do is I want to start with the color. So I have my recipe card, and we are going to use 6 tads of Lake Dye Red 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, that is red. Red 7. Very messy. Get color everywhere. All right, then the next thing I'm going to put is 6 medium scoops of, where did I put my little scoops? Okay, 3 medium scoops of titanium dioxide. What I like about this lipstick, it's easy to make and you don't have to melt any wax. And because you use a lot of color, it stays on for a long time. Okay, so that's the titanium dioxide. And then the next thing, let's see, we're gonna put the minerals in. So I make my mineral base in this larger container. You can look back on my videos and you can see the recipe for this. So we're gonna put 7 tads in here. Okay, let me wipe off the tad spoon. Gonna keep lots of paper towels and lots of 91% alcohol. Clean everything. Okay, so we're gonna put 7 tads. Okay, that makes 7. Move this aside. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stir it just a little bit. A little small whisk. Okay, that's about it. And then I'm going to put 2 drops of Cap 2 preservative. Okay. And the next thing is going to be castor oil. So we're going to put 4 mils of castor oil. So I'm going to draw this up in a 10 mil syringe. I get these from TKB. So when you get them, put a piece of tape on the measurement so it doesn't get rubbed off. So we're going to do 4 mils. I am going to set that over here. And then the next thing we're going to put is 2 mils of jojoba oil. I keep a lot of things in these little snack cups because it just makes it easier. I'm going to draw up 2 mils. Okay, and then the next thing is going to be 1 mil of vitamin E. Okay, and I'm going to use my spatula to stir it together. Once you incorporate all this, then you can mix it with the little, with my drill. Okay, once it's completely mixed, now that I got all the powder and the liquids together, I am going to mix it the rest of the way with my drill. This is just a small nail drill that I use, and it just whips it up a lot faster. So let me turn it on. Okay, so once it's blended, that's what it's going to look like. And you can tell it's a beautiful red. So what I do is I leave this sit overnight, and then I just check it in the morning, make sure it's creamy and looks good, and I fill it into a lip gloss tube. Okay, this was New Orleans Potions Red.